The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, good Sunday morning, everyone. Conditions are fairly calm across our SkyCam network, but that's because it's 6:15 on a Sunday. But temperatures are very, very chilly out there. 20s across the board. 31 is the warm spot down in Danville, and Hot Springs currently sitting at 16. Hillsville, Blacksburg, Wytheville, anywhere from about 22 to 24 degrees, and then over in Lynchburg, about 26 early on this Sunday morning. Wind speeds are going to be fairly calm. They'll be breezy at times, anywhere from 4 to 8 miles per hour throughout our day, but notice the flow switches from out of the west to out of the south. That's going to be bringing in some warmer air this afternoon, and so our temperatures this afternoon get well into the 50s. So a lot of us near the 50-degree mark out in the NRV, but across the Roanoke Valley, Lynchburg, and south side, pushing the mid to upper 50s in some spots. I think some spots could even get a little bit warmer than that thanks to the abundance of our sunshine. If you're headed out the door this morning, it's going to be fairly chilly. So if you're headed out to service, bundle up. As Duke said, it's very, very chilly out there. Allergy season is about 1 to 3 weeks ahead at the moment. So we're dealing with early blossoms and early blooms across parts of the Gulf Coast and across parts of the Southeast. This includes parts of the Mid-Atlantic, just south of Richmond, seeing some really big time blooming going on. Even for parts of the Roanoke Valley, even close to Danville, we're starting to see an early bloom go on at this time. Now, I talked about the NASCAR race yesterday. Conditions are still the same. This morning out in Atlanta, clear and sunny. We'll have partly cloudy conditions by 1 p.m., but then by the time the race gets started, the green flag should be waving. Lots of sunshine at 3 p.m. at Atlanta Motor Speedway with temperatures in the mid-60s. So a nice day out there for some pack racing yet again. Now for us, high pressure is going to be dominating the majority of the southeast throughout the next couple of days. But what that does is it funnels in some moisture from the south. Notice our winds were shifting out of the south this afternoon. That's going to be bringing in lots of warmth throughout the next couple of days. Also going to be bringing in the possibility of some showers, very isolated showers on our Monday and our Tuesday. But going into Wednesday, that's when the widespread rain and the potential for some thunder showers really builds in. And that's because we're watching two jet streams, one way up here to the north, one to the south, and they try to combine. And so where they meet, there's a severe weather threat for parts of the upper plains and just off to our west for Tuesday. They're under a slight risk, which includes Chicago all the way to Springfield, Illinois. So that's what they're dealing with, and that system will track further and further east and impact us on Wednesday. That's why there's a 60% chance of rain in the middle of this week.